Welcome friends on my YouTube channel Learn Information Technology. Today I will explain the topic that is list, types of list, how to create a list, either ordered list or unordered list. Next is creating an unordered list or you can say bulleted list. Next is define or insert new bullets. Next, create an ordered list or you can say numbering list. Now let's move further towards the first topic, that is list. Now, what is list? In MS Word or you can say in normal life, what is list? Sometime you have heard about the content you have to arrange in the form of list. For example, in your daily life, that is grocery item. This one is the grocery item. Next is week. Means suppose if you want to make a list of the product for purchasing any related to the shop or cosmetic shop, means आपको किसी भी सामान को परचेज करने से और या फिर उसकी एक लिस्ट बनानी पड़ती है सो दैट आपको वो सामान परचेज करने में इजी हो और कोई भी सामान भूले ना. फॉर दैट यू हैव मेक अ लिस्ट. वीक इज a list in which days are coming in sequence, means Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday till Sunday. Means all the weeks are come in sequence one by one. That why we are using list in MS Word. Now, in MS Word there are two types of list. That is bulleted list or numbering list. Bulleted list is basically used in unordered list. Why I am saying bulleted list is using in unordered list? Because in unordered list, no sequence is matter. Suppose if I am saying make a list who is drinking tea, coffee or milk, means any person has a choice. Either he or she will take tea, coffee or milk. So in this no sequences matter. That's why that particular list in which sequence does not important, we are using bulleted list. Now, apart from this bulleted list, new list name is numbering list. Numbering list is basically used in which sequence is important. कैसे अप्लाई करते हैं, कैसे क्रिएट करते हैं MS Word में, मैं आपको आगे बताऊंगी. Now, next is to create a list that is ordered or unordered. मीन्स हम इसमें लिस्ट कैसे बनाते हैं, चाहे वो ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट हो चाहे वो अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट हो. नाउ फॉर क्रिएटिंग अ लिस्ट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू क्लिक एनीवेयर इन द MS Word in which you want to create a list. That is the first point. Now for this you have to click on the home tab. In the home tab you will see a paragraph group. In the paragraph group, you will see an option that is bulleted or numbering list. Here is the option for creating a bullet list and this is the option for creating numbering list. Focus on the particular command icon. In this, dots are there for bulleted command. But in numbering list, 1, 2, 3 sequence is there. So, it is called numbering command. Now, when you click on the bulleted command, you will see this type of menu in which you will see certain icons or you can say certain symbols for denoting any particular bulleted list or you can say unordered list. But in numbering list, you will see this type of box in which you will see a sequence either 1, 2, 3 or if you want this pattern in 1, 2, 3, similarly in Roman number and in capital alphabets or similarly small abc and so on. Means this and this are the basically show you the pattern for which you are creating a list. Either abc means आप कॉपी में भी जब भी आप इवन कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट बनाते हो, आप कभी कभी जब बोला जाता है कि पॉइंट्स में लिखो आंसर, तो आप 1, 2, 3 ऐसे भी करते हो, कभी कभी ऐसे भी करते हो. सो ये एक टाइप का पैटर्न है जो भी आप बुलेटेड ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट में लगाना चाहते हो. सिमिलरली ये एक पैटर्न है कौन सा सिंबल आप डिनोट कर रहे हो अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट को डिफाइन करने के लिए. Now, these are two notes. One important point is there. When you are editing a list in MS Word, when you press single enter key, when you press enter key at one time, you will see a new bullet or a new ordered list will appear in the next line. Means, what does it means? Means when you press a enter key first only one time, you will see a new bullet will generated in next line. Means आप enter करते हो, आपने enter की प्रेस की, so what you will see, आपने देखा कि एक नया बुलेट जनरेट हो गया है. सिमिलरली इफ आपने ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट करी है, आपने ए लिख लिया, बी लिख लिया, उसके बाद आपने एंटर की प्रेस की है, उसके बाद ऑटोमेटिकली इट शो द सी. आपको लिखना नहीं पड़ेगा कि सी डॉट. I hope you understood what is the meaning by pressing enter key once. Now, for pressing enter key twice, what does it means? Suppose, basically it means to exit from the bullet. What does it means? When you press enter key single time, you will see a new bullet of the same type. Now, when you press enter key twice, you will see this particular bullet will remove and it will go back to the original point. Means normal position में वो आ जाएगा जैसे आप लिस्ट नहीं बना रहे हो. सिमिलरली आपने बी के बाद 2 बार एंटर की प्रेस करिए, वो आपको तो शो नहीं करेगा, वो आपको डायरेक्टली शो करेगा नेक्स्ट लाइन से आपको टेक्स्ट लिखने के लिए. मीन्स ट्वाइस की एंटर प्रेस करने से आप बुलेट लिस्ट से एग्जिट हो जाते हो. सिमिलरली ऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट से भी. I hope you understood what is the meaning of single enter or double enter. Now, next is creating an unordered list. Unordered list basically means bulleted list. That's why first line is given over there. A bulleted list is used to create an unordered list. In this, there are no sequence of item of this tip. I have already told you in unordered list, no sequences matter. And in unordered list, you will use bulleted type of list. Now, in order to create a bulleted list, don't think कि आप एक ही टाइप का बुलेट यूज कर सकते हो. आप कितने भी टाइप का बुलेट आप यूज कर सकते हो. इन एज आई हैव टोल्ड यू इन द फिगर ओनली, आप कोई भी इसमें से सिंबल जनरेट कर सकते हो एज अ बुलेट शो करने के लिए. फॉर दिस यू विल क्लिक ऑन द होम टैब. In the home tab, you will see in the paragraph group, you will see a bullet drop down list. As I have told you, this symbol, or I will show you in the above pic, this is the bullet symbol. When you click on the bullet symbol, a new bullet is shown for the particular text. When you press the enter key, it will show the next bullet for the next type, for next information, or you can say for the next line for which you can write your information. Next is add new bullet option. What does it means? Means आपको जो इस पर्टिकुलर डायलॉग बॉक्स में आपको दिया है या ड्रॉप डाउन लिस्ट में जो भी आपको बुलेट्स दिए हैं, इसमें से आपको यूज नहीं करना. खुद का बुलेट डिफाइन करना है या खुद का सिंबल या फिर जो प्री डिफाइंड सिंबल है उसमें से यूज करना है. तो आप कैसे जनरेट करोगे और कैसे क्रिएट करोगे? फॉर दिस सेम स्टेप आर देयर. On the home tab, in the paragraph group, you will click on the bullet command. In the bullet command, you will see define new bullet command. When you click on the define new bullet command, you will see this dialog box having define new bullet option. In this, there are 3 tabs: symbols, pictures, font. If you want to add any symbol for a new bullet, you will click on symbol command. In the symbol command, when you click on this symbol command, you will see this dialog box, symbol dialog box. In this, there are several kinds of symbol are present over there, either small, big, or whatever you want to do. You can simply click it on it. You will click on OK command. This bullet symbol will be added to your list. As previously, this particular symbol will not added in your this particular figure. That symbol will also include here only. I hope you understood how to create a new bullet by yourself. This is all about. Similarly, इफ़ यू वांट टू ऐड अ पिक्चर एज अ बुलेट, बट डोंट थिंक कि बहुत बड़ी पिक्चर बन के आएगी उस पर्टिकुलर टेक्स्ट के आगे. एक मिनी पिक्चर बन के आएगी, बहुत छोटी सी, उसके अंदर वो पूरी पिक्चर डिस्प्ले होगी, बट वो इतनी क्लियरली विजिबल नहीं होगी. सो इसलिए इसको प्रेफर नहीं किया जाता है कि पिक्चर एज अ बुलेट यूज करें. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड हाउ वी कैन डिफाइन अ न्यू बुलेट. नाउ let's move further. Creating an ordered list. Ordered list basically means in which sequences matter, because in unordered list you will see sequences doesn't matter. So in ordered list sequences matter. So sequence matter है, it means इसमें numbers यूज होंगे, क्योंकि हमें sequence पता कैसे चलेगा ना, एक पहले नंबर पे ये है, दूसरे नंबर पे है. That's why a numbering list is used for creating an ordered list. This type of list is basically used when you may need to organize the item in a sequence. As I have told you कि इसमें sequence matter करता है. For this, इसमें आप कोई भी स्टाइल चूज कर सकते हो जो नंबर ड्रॉप डाउन मेन्यू में अवेलेबल है, जो मैंने आपको ऊपर बताया, रोमन नंबर, अल्फाबेट्स, सिमिलरली सो ऑन. नाउ फॉर दिस, click on the home tab, the paragraph group, you will click on the numbering command. When you click on the numbering drop down list, after that select any style which is given in the drop down list of numbering command. That particular style will reflect it towards your item. One thing in common for ordered list and unordered list, that is, when you click single enter key, you will see a new next bullet or numbering list are there. When you press double enter, you will exit that type of list. This thing is common in both ordered list, or you can say numbering list, or unordered list, or you can say bulleted list. I hope you understood this topic. What is ordered list and unordered list? Now let me show you one more thing. Now, as I have told you, in the home tab you will see a paragraph group. In the paragraph group you will see these type of command. Similarly, when you click on the ordered list, you will see these type of command. As I have told you कि आप new bullet भी define कर सकते हो. This is the option, define new bullet. When you click on the symbol, you will see there are several types of symbol are there. See? Similarly, if you want to click it, whatever you command, and after click it OK button, you will see this particular symbol will insert it in your drop down list of the or bulleted list. I hope you understood this video. If you understood this video, hit the like icon. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, that is Learn Information Technology, subscribe it and hit the like icon if you like this video. Bye guys, see you in the next video.